Hello again, folks. Matt Eaton with the Lighting Warehouse, here to talk to you about the importance of maintenance on your lighting system. It's critical when you're lighting up something that's living and breathing like a landscape that you actually take care in making sure the fixtures are clear from any foliage that may have grown up around the fixture. You've removed any of the staining and discoloration that can occur on top of the lens that affects the actual projection of the fixture itself. So again, we're just kind of showing what normal maintenance procedures look like so that you're maintaining a system to look and give you that same effect from the day it was installed and aimed in a way that is meaningful to the target that it's lighting up. So with that, got a damp cloth, and then we use Barkeeper's Friend. Is typically one of the things that I use for the body of the fixture. This fixture happens to be brass, so we're basically lighting up, or we're going to go ahead and apply the Barkeeper's Friend to the fixture itself. And then typically what I use for the lens itself, you can see the discoloration on the lens. What we use on this is CLR. Gets rid of that lime and any other calcium that collects on that lens, and like I said earlier, this makes a dramatic effect when you clean this off to give that light engine and the optics the ability to project the way that it was intended to. So again, for this, we use a little bit of CLR on a slightly damp rag or sponge. Just apply that directly to the lens and work it around. All right, as you can see, the biggest part of this was cleaning the lens, and that's made a profound change in that using the CLR. The body of the fixture itself is not perfect. It appears that this one may have gotten splattered on by a concrete pour of something of that sort. But that's not the important thing. The projection of the lumens is really the important thing, folks. So we're going to basically set this fixture back in the ground, aim it properly, and then move on to the next item of the system maintenance as we move through this property. Wrapping this puppy up, guys. You've seen us get into everything. We've cut foliage away, we've raised fixtures, we've realigned and re-aimed fixtures. We've even attached some junction boxes where we basically needed to get out of harm's way with landscape maintenance crews that don't care where your fixtures are. They're gonna knock them out of alignment every time. So again, the importance of maintaining your system is critical, at least on an annual basis, guys. Check back for more tips and tricks. Love the fact that we were able to provide this content for you. If you like what you see, keep coming back. Thanks, guys.